You can easily manage your plans by going to the gear icon, Plans and Access, and Plans. This will land you on your plans list. Selecting the three-dot menu next to the plan will give you some options. You can invite to the plan, view income report, change the visibility, view as, which will allow you to view as a plan member or through the plan join flow, message all the members on the plan, download plan member information, manage the spaces in the plan, duplicate the plan, or deactivate it. Clicking into the plan, you will also have some other options here. You can change the visibility and sharing. So currently this plan is hidden right now since it's not visible anywhere, but I could select to show it on my landing page and global header, collections, or my space about page. Scrolling further down, you can send invites for this particular plan or create share links to land prospective members or current members on the exact place that you want them to. Additionally, you can delete any of the links that you have created to regenerate them again. On the Members tab, you will see any of the members that are on the current plan. You will be able to see their status, any answers if there are screening questions as well, last active, earliest, latest, and more. In the settings, you'll see what platform the plan is available on. You can also turn on or off screening questions or approval, or manage the questions from the screen as well. If you would like to add or remove a space to the plan, you can simply do that by clicking Manage and changing the access that the plan has. You can toggle on or off network access, which means that members on the plan will become full or limited members. You can add or remove spaces or change the landing space for when they join. If you do manage access, we recommend that you message the plan members to let them know that their access has changed. Inside of details, you'll be able to find the plan name. This is the external plan name, so it'll be visible to anyone, but you can also add in an internal note or an internal name as well. Here you can edit the image or video. You can put in a custom image or video, edit the sales pitch, benefit list, or the description as well. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see that same three-dot menu where you're able to take quick actions like downloading member information, messaging them, etc. Inside of the plan list, there will be ways for you to filter it. So you can select the status of it. If it's visible, hidden, pending, rejected means that it would be an iOS plan. Network access is either included or excluded. The plan type, if it's a bundle plan or if it's just for your network or space. Pricing type, and payment platform as well. In this sort filter here, you can sort plan names from A to Z, Z to A, the status, and a lot of other options as well. You can also search for a plan name in this search icon here. And that's how you manage plans in your Mighty network.